Hey, I'm Brett here. I'm here to tell you some things about my Craftsman garage door opener. It's a 3 1/4 horsepower, so it will power a double garage door. As you can see there, it is a Craftsman. That's blurry, but who cares? This unit does come with a keypad and the 2 openers, and it does come with, you'll be shocked, the button. I know a lot of them do come with it, but I mean you'll be shocked. I just say it's a very nice unit. And just to let you know, for this video I am going to shut the garage and open it back up. As you can see, it's a beautiful day out. The sun isn't out, but it's still beautiful. It's kind of chilly, but who cares? And it is a chain drive. I don't know if you can see there, but that rope right there is your release cord in case your power goes out. You pull that down, and then you open the garage by hand. Now you do have to push it back up when the power comes back on. I'm putting my finger right at it. You push it back up or you pull the cord back. Alright guys, now I'm talking. Let's shut this thing. Pretty nice unit there. And well, here's the thing. This does, oops, wrong way. The button, the light, and this is to power light in your house. I'm going to show you it closing again. Sorry, it's wobbling there. My tripod's going funky. But now here's the chances to shut it outside. It's a very nice unit. I'm going to open it back up here. Very nice unit. It is kind of slow, but we love it. I love it. Thank you for watching.